Hello and welcome back to Riel. Today we're going to go out and do a few tasks. I got to get that cleaver sharpened for Sean. Also a few other things. As we go along here, I'll show you a few different places that you would like to visit when you're in Siem Reap. So there's a cafe just back there. I'll put the name down below. I forget its name, but it's really nice. It's new. I think it's Crane or something. Amicis is on this road as well. Dog. Pom right there on the right, and also Cruza Cafe, which is just here, which is really nice. Definitely go to those two places. On the left here is a pretty good pharmacy if you're in this area. UCare is pretty good. I think UCare is the best. Oh, green. That's a little garbage truck. I think it's taken out by. And you're probably saying, Jeremy, you just took right away. There's no such thing as right away in these streets. If you get out in front, you're ready to go. Just don't do it in front of a truck. Go down here a bit, and we'll go the back way to where I'm going. So I'm going to get the cleaver cut. Also going to get hopefully some breakfast if I can. I'm a bit of a time crunch. So this is like a Mission Impossible kind of situation. So on the right down here, on the corner, on the right there, there's a little barbecue beef stand. And just there as well. It used to be Star Bar, now it's Sabai Beach, I think it's called. Down a bit further, a few nice little coffee shops and restaurants down here. But Sojourner House, which is just down here also, I'll show you. Where is it? Just there. Yeah, just there. The sign's not out. But that's where my birthday is going to be held on the 6th of September. Anyone's in town, all the proceeds, if when you come, don't bring me a present, please. It's my 50th, but don't bring me a present. I'm going to have a little box out there. You can stick some cash in. We're going to give it to Heartprint for all the people who've been displaced through the border dispute, which is happening still at the moment. Ew, dead rat. There's a little rat run, as you can see back there. The rat didn't run very fast and got squished. I don't know if you did see it, I probably don't want to see it. Okay, I'll go left here. Down this road, a lot of restaurants and things to see and do. The little coffee shop we went is on the right there a while ago. On the left, that's Muscle Gym. And we're going to go over the little causeway here. That's a nice bike. Causeway. And we'll go... I'll go left. This is a horrible, horrible corner. It's like a 5 ways, and no one knows what's happening. We used to live around here, so I'll try and get this the knife sharpened. Go back through it. The knife sharpened. Breakfast, hopefully. Get some stuff from the market. Also, might go and see a movie if I can. And as you maybe can see, I'm on Claire's steed. Need the lights to be fixed and oil change, that kind of stuff done on this. So hopefully I'll get it all done today. Unlikely, but it's just hopeful. So we're heading out towards Tonle Sap now. There's a little right turn up here, and they'll take us in to the market. And hopefully, look, I don't know if this is going to work at all, but I'm assuming this place sharpens knives. There's a bloke that rides around Siem Reap, a little bike, and he's got a knife sharpening kind of business. But I don't know where he is. I haven't got a tracker on him. I don't know if he's got a phone number. That's new, that building on the corner. There's always something new happening here in Siem Reap. This is a very weird corner. There's a little wiggle. Crazy little wiggle. Just straighten that up, would be nice. This place slows people down. Big cocks over there. Massive. Very good luck, big cocks. So coming up to this market up here, I can never remember its name. I'll just leave it down below for you. But it's got where we lived previously. That's where I got all my eggs and fruit and things like that. Okay, just coming out to, like, this is, there's a forge here, I think, that makes knives. So hopefully, this is my thinking, that they will sharpen knives. It's very unheard of stopping for anyone. Thought that was a nice bloke. Like, oh God, jackpot. Okay, let's have a look over here. No, not them. Not them, not them. Oh, maybe these people. Oh, over there, definitely. Oh, this looks like the place. This looks like the place. Hello. Let's see if they do it. Do it. Let's see if they can sharpen this. It's stainless steel. I don't know if they can sharpen it. I'll have a quick look. Righto. That's done, or kind of half done. Off the markets. To buy a big fat pig. No, just buy some eggs, really. To market, to buy some. Oh, they look nice. Luggins. Over here. Straight across this road. Oh, fruit and veg. Oh, it's very slow today. Oh, the egg lady's just here. My egg lady. She speaks amazing English. Maybe it's the same one. I don't know. Okay, eggs purchased. Maybe it was that lady I should have gone to. I don't know. That was 5,000, so $1.25 for 10. Yep. There's some fruit people down here. I need to get some pengbo, I think it's called, tomatoes. Lots of eggs. There's some fruit there. Where's some tomatoes? Tomatoes over here. Tomatoes over there. Some nice limes there. Oh, I see tomatoes. Ugh, bit greasy. Can I get some of the tomatoes? That's fruit. Alright. Oh, ear splitting. There's some deep fried bread there. Or maybe it's banana. I think it's banana. Should have got that for breakfast. Actually, I think No, fatty Jeremy. Big fatty bomba, you don't need that. Don't run over the blind bloke. Oh, there's these, looks like massive bonbons up ahead of us. Obviously they're not, but they look that way. Ooh, it's a sticky ground. Sticky, icky ground. Where's that lady I saw? I think she was over the left side here. Holy dooly, nearly collision. Came at me. Had intent to kill me. Where'd the lady go? Oh, is going away? She's gone, obviously. Oh no, she's over there. Okay, let's go against the road here, against the traffic. Hello. Rightio. Let's get down and get this knife. And we'll head over. And we'll head down to get the bike done. This is an exceptional time. Oh, and I get breakfast. Wrong place. Got breakfast yet? Oh, I've gone too far. It's back here. Beep, 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 boop, beep, boop. I'm back. So I've come and dropped Claire's bike off to get serviced, got oil changed, checked the brakes, the air filter, transmission fluid, and the light at the front. So it's just across the road from the roundabout next to Big Boy Burger, and the old market's just over there. So I went and got the knife. Cost $1 to get it done. Oh, sorry, the cleaver, you get $1 to get it sharpened. And here's a picture of it here. And very sharp. So I'm gonna head over to Legend to see a gold class movie. Nice. I'm here at Legend Cinema. I'm gonna see Nobody 2, gold class. It's $8, so you just go in,
Pay your ticket as usual, pick a seat, and then you come across to Gold Class Lounge. The peasants over here, Gold Class over here. So you go and have a look, relax. Made it by 10:20. So I took about an hour and 20 minutes. That's breakfast, all those chores, and now I'm going to see a movie for $8. So we're in Gold Class now. Well, it's very dark in here. So let's go pick it up. But I'm the only person. So this is privately just for me. Wackadoo. $8 and you get a drink and popcorn as well. So I'm going to sit down, look and watch this movie and pick up the bike and go home.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Take care and we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Thank you.